This is second grade Go Math lesson 6.8, and today we will regroup hundreds with 3-digit subtraction. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do for one of these is I'm going to draw a picture just to show it. So we have 727 minus 256. So I want to draw a representation, place model representation of the top number here, 727. Draw 700s. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. So I have 2 10s. So 2 10s and 7 1s. Okay. So I look here in the first and the ones, and I need to subtract 6 from 7. I can do that because there's more than 6 ones. So if I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, put circle all these and put an X over them, I have 1 left. So 7 minus 6 is 1. I do not need this box here because I'm not going to regroup for that section. All right, now I come to the tens, and there's 5 tens on the bottom number and only 2 at the top. So this is what tells you need to regroup when the larger number is on the bottom of this equation here. So this time, instead of breaking apart a 10, I'm going to break apart one of the hundreds. So I'm just going to break this apart here, and now I'm going to have 10 tens, 10 more tens. I know there's a lot to write there. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now I need to take away 5 of those. So I'm just going to circle this and take away this one too. And then we're going to, oh, so I'm sorry. I forgot to show you what the regroup is. So when we regrouped 100 there, we had 7 hundreds. Now we have 6 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to make a 6 here. I added 10 tens to 2 tens. So I had 10 tens in this batch right here. 10 plus 2 is 12. So I'm going to cross this out, put a 12 here. And now what I had just done is I took away 5 from the 12 we had made over here. Remember, we had 12 tens, and we took away, and essentially 12 tens is 120, and we took away 5 tens, which is 50, essentially 50. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now we're looking at our hundreds. We have 6 hundreds left. I'm taking away 2 more. So taking 1 here, taking a 1 away there. Now I have 4 tens left. So 6 minus 2 is 4. And that's how we regroup the hundreds. We'll do one more problem real quick. Let's go ahead and look at number 4 down here. It says 448 minus 363. So I need to draw a picture of the larger number on top. 2, 3, 4 hundreds, 4 tens, and 8 ones. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Now, if I look at the ones here, I have a larger number at the top, so I don't have to regroup. Now, lots of times I have my students just go through and check first. Do I need to regroup on any of the sections? I might have them circle, so they wouldn't circle here, but if they look at the next one, they might want to circle this just because they know they have to regroup there. Anyways, back to the problem. We're taking away 3 away, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 from 8 is 5. Okay. Then I look here, and I have more tens on the bottom than I do at the top, which is a signal that I'm going to regroup. So I'm going to regroup my hundreds. Regroup my hundreds. I'm going to do it correctly this time. I apologize for the last one. I have 3 hundreds up here. And now I'm going to make, since I broke up 10 tens, make 100. I'm going to draw 10 tens. 4, 6, 8, and then 10. And I'm going to take away 6 tens. Oh, before I take away 6 tens, let me see how many tens I have now. I have 10 right here, plus 1, 2, so that's 11, 12, 13, 14. So 10 plus 4 makes 14. Now I'm going to subtract 14 minus 6. So I'm going to take away 6 of these 10s. And how many 10s do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is 8 10s there. And then it says I'm going to take away 3 hundredths away from 3 hundredths. So that would leave me with no hundredths. And whenever a lot of times kids like to write the 0 right here, leave this blank. So whenever your last digit to the left is solved and it answers 0 for that place value, you just leave that blank. So 448 minus 363, the difference is 85.